Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Jayeeta and friends call me Rima. So I am in my car and today's video I'm not going to show you any kind of DIY because I'm going for a shopping. I have to buy some art materials for my DIY projects. So stay tuned and come with me. Let's shop together. So we are here, we have reached here and right now I am beside Shaniwar Wada. Let me show you. So this is Shaniwar Wada. It is a famous tourist spot of Pune. But right now it is closed due to lockdown. So let's come with me.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. All my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear outweighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it close.
So I have done shopping Now I'm going towards my car. So see you in the next week. Take care. Bye bye.